Hi, my name is Angie Traslaviña and today we are going to make a compost at home, simple and fast. Making a compost is very simple and you only need these elements. Container, water, land, and kitchen waste. We need a processed or recycled container and garbage waste such as egg cells, fruit and vegetable peelings, potato skins, twigs, fresh straw, wheat grass, coffee grounds, among others. It is very important to make small holes under the container and place a layer of soil and dry materials to avoid damaging the bottom of the composter. Kitchen waste needs to be finely chopped so that is not damaging and decomposes properly. After putting the layer of land and dry material, land, and dry material, yes, dry material, excuse me. We are going to put a layer of kitchen waste and on it another layer of land, and so on until container is filled with a mixture. More land, more land, and more kitchen waste. Fine, final. Yes, and more land. It is important and necessary to add water to our compost from time to time so that it is always wet. And, and that is all. Here we have our homemade compost. I hope you like it. Bye.